centavos, pesos, cents. Comment down below if you know what the Great Britain pound sterling. Yes, I think that's what they call it. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm 53 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing beauty reviews, hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you are curious what is in the September Look Fantastic box, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. All right, folks, I have yet another new beauty subscription for my channel. This is from Look Fantastic. This is an outer box. Inside should be a lovelier box. All right, this is what the box looks like. It looks like this is an anniversary, their birthday box. Looks like I picked a great time to start this subscription. For those who are new to what Look Fantastic is, it is a $19 a month beauty subscription. This is European. I believe it's from the UK. If you pay month to month, it is $19. You can pay like 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year out, and it will discount. I believe I paid for 6 months, which reduced the price down to $17 possibly. I will link the price points on the screen. And yeah, so I'm shocked and surprised at how early this came, particularly since my ESPA box, which comes from the US, tends to take a month to arrive. This is from the UK. I ordered it on the 1st or the 2nd of September. Got confirmation on the 3rd or the 4th of September. They billed me. Today is the 12th of September. I believe I received this box yesterday on the 11th. Here is a customs form that shows in Great Britain pounds how much this box costs. So any US beauty subscription services, stop blaming COVID. I digress. I am super excited to check out this new beauty box. All right, let's take the lid off. And we get a card or a pamphlet. And it has lovely tissue paper. These are similar to the glossy boxes, where they're very sturdy, they're very beautiful, great for regifting or for storing items, and they look nice on your shelves. All right, this is what the inside of the box looks like. It does come with the squiggly bits, but at least the squiggly bits are a lovely salmon color and not black, so hopefully there won't be any residue on the products. This is a nice card. It's very thick. It's like a mini magazine. I'm hoping it will have prices and product information. Let's dig in and see what the first item is. Ooh, it's quite heavy. Oh, this is Brushworks. It's a Jade roller. I have always been curious about these. I see various different subscription boxes have given these. I just have never received one. All right. Let's see what the booklet has to say. The Brushworks Jade Roller retails for £9.99. I will list in US dollars on the screen for each of the products. To really take your skincare regimen to the next level, this Brushworks facial roller is exactly what you need. Working to alleviate puffiness and tension in your face, this tool is great for massaging your favorite serums, moisturizers, and face masks into the skin. All right, I'll be excited to give that a try. Next item. I see a brand name I know and like. This is from Elemis. This is the Pro-collagen Marine Cream, anti-aging. All right, this is a nice sample size. I actually, in the summer FabFitFun, one of my add-ons was this collagen cream. Check out that video if you get a chance. Let's see what the booklet has to say. All right, the Elemis Pro-collagen Marine Cream, 15 milliliters, is worth 30 pounds. This anti-aging cream uses the maximum concentrate of Padina pavonica, a powerful marine extract to completely transform your skin. Its antioxidant properties improve collagen production to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Says apply daily to clean skin, massage over the face and neck. All right. Next item. Ooh. This is a brush from Luxie. Looks to be an eyeshadow brush. See what the card has to say. The 209 large shader is worth 15 pounds. It's suitable for use with both cream and powder eyeshadows. This soft synthetic Luxie eye brush will be a great addition to your beauty toolkit. Okay, I love receiving brushes. Next item. What is this? ESPA Natural Beauty Inner Calm. Pink hair and scalp mud. All right, let's see what the card has to say. The pink hair and scalp mud micellar cleanser. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I think they have iterations. The booklet here says / micellar cleanser. I wish I got the micellar cleanser. So I got the scalp mud, which is, this is 30 milliliters and retails for 5 pounds. It says that the pink hair and scalp mud is a rich hair treatment that works to deeply condition to leave you with silky, soft locks. All right. Next item. Looks to be a lip liner. Let's see what the card has to say. All right, the Dalla Palma mini lip pencil in the shade 80 Antique Pink is worth 9 pounds 32 centavos, pesos, cents. Comment down below if you know what the Great Britain pound sterling. Yes, I think that's what they call it. 9 pounds 32 sterling. This lip pencil has a precise tip to really define the lips and a strong color payoff. Ooh, it looks like something I will wear, so let's swatch it. Oh, that is right up my alley. It's like a dusty rose. All right. Next item. Ooh, what is this? It's from Illamasqua. Received products from this brand, I think in my Ipsy, possibly my Girrrl or Glossy box. Okay, this looks to be either an eyeshadow or maybe a highlighter. Let's see what the card has to say. The Illamasqua Mini OMG Highlighter is worth 10 pounds. Okay, so this is a highlighter, not an eyeshadow, although most highlighters you can use as an eyeshadow. All right, I believe, yep, that is the entirety of this box. That was a pretty good box. All right, let's recap what we got. We got a highlighter from Illamasqua, We got a Pro-collagen Marine eye cream from Elemis. We got an eyeshadow brush from Luxie. We got a lip liner from a company called Dalla Palma. We got a mud hair mask from ESPA. And a Jade roller from Brushworks. That is a pretty good box for $17. First box. I'm digging it. Okay, leave your comments down below. Do you subscribe to Look Fantastic? Have you watched a few unboxings but are on the fence? For a first time box, I'm pretty impressed. I like all of the products, which is a lot more than I can say about this month's Boxy-Lux. Check out that video if you want to see me be a little cranky. Alright, I'm going to tally all the items I received in the box on the screen with the price in US dollars. That was a pretty good box. So, not too shabby, first time box. Leave a comment, let me know. What was your favorite item? Okay, I was just digging through the box to throw out the crinkly bits, and I found one more item. This, I believe, is... I'm too old to know what it's technically called, but you put it on the back of your cell phone, and it pops out so you can hold it, I believe. Comment down below and let me know what this is really called. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. And click the notification so you can be notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.